Crosscasting. We always assume that the value, for example, in E10 is correct, but we never ever really check it against the corresponding values. So I always advocate that we should do a simple cross-check to ensure that we're in balance. I linked the one cell to the formula, so we've got the total there, and then I do an auto sum directly underneath for the other values and subtract the 2, and they should be 0 to prove that we are actually in balance. I will illustrate by amending one of the formula in E4 to show you that the values are definitely going to be out, and it'll also illustrate that Microsoft puts a little green corner to illustrate that the formula is not the same as the one nearest to it. This is to try and help you. One reason why you should not amend formulas.